In this video, I'll show you how to set up a booking page in Squarespace. First, sign into your Squarespace account and open the website you want to use. From the dashboard, open Scheduling or Acuity Scheduling to start setting up your booking system. Next, add the appointment types you want customers to book. Enter the service name, description, duration, and price. Save each appointment type you want to offer. After that, set your availability. Choose the days and hours when customers can book appointments. If you have multiple services or staff members, make sure each one has the correct availability and appointment settings. Now, customize your booking page. Add your business information, service details, and any questions you want customers to answer when they schedule an appointment. You can also configure confirmation and reminder settings. Next, connect your calendar and payment options if needed. This can help prevent scheduling conflicts and allow customers to pay when booking, depending on your setup. Finally, add the booking page to your Squarespace website. Use a scheduling block or the available booking page options to place it on a page or in your site navigation. Preview the page and test a booking to make sure everything works correctly. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to set up a booking page in Squarespace. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.